Hey, what's up everybody? It's Gary, the Bearded Woodworker. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to show you how I built this piano bench for my son's electronic piano. Comes with storage for music as well. I made it out of 5/4 by 4.5 inches pieces of hickory. I bought each one of these boards for $3 a piece at my local discount lumber place. I think I used about 4 or 5 of these. Stick around, I'll show you how I did it. I made a quick little jig out of a piece of 3/4 inch plywood and a piece of 1x that I had. I ordered these online a long time ago from Wish. They come from China, I guess. They were only $1 for 4 of them or something like that, but they came out way smaller than I thought. Anyways, I went ahead and made 1.25 inches here and 2.25 over here just to make a little taper. We'll see how it goes. This is going to ride along the fence and this side right along the blade, and it's going to cut my board, and I might be able to get 2 legs out of each board here if I do it right. Let's see. Take it. So, flip this one around. I should be able to do it just like that. Standard comfortable piano bench height is about 19 inches. So I cut these at 18.25. So my 3/4 inch plywood top will make it 19 inches. And I might end up putting a little plastic slider footing or something on it. So anyways, now we got the legs cut. Figure out which way I want to build the legs. Probably inwards this way. So the width of my skirt is 3 inches. So I marked where 3 inches is, and then I measured the width from there to where the 3 inches is, and I come to about 2 inches. So I set my fence at 2 inches, and I'm going to take this angle piece and I'm going to cut it straight, and it should stop off right where the 3-inch mark is of the skirt. And I think that's what I'm looking for. Now let's give everything a good sanding, and then we'll figure out how we're going to actually put this bench together. I am putting the straight cut on the inside and the tapered cut on the outside. I think I'm gonna, best thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna glue, and I will put a clamp on it, and then I'll go from the inside and put some screws. So I have 2 screws per corner, per leg. I'm gonna let the glue dry for a little bit, and I'm just gonna go ahead and keep the clamps on. I'm gonna go run an errand, I'll be right back. They didn't have any ebony or onyx stain, but I found some clear tint base, and I got it tinted in an onyx. So let's see if it's gonna give me the black that I'm desiring. I found an old piece of plywood, 3/4 inch, that I think's gonna work. It's got a little holes in it, bug holes maybe? I don't know, it's pretty old. But I like the character that it gives. I could always fill the holes with putty if I wanted to. So I took this same hickory boards that I had, and I just ripped down a square 3/4 inch stock, which is the same thickness as this plywood, and I'm going to just frame out this plywood, giving it 45-degree angles on the corners, and then glue and nail it together. I want to put a little decorative chamfer of some sort on it. But I don't want to run into the nails that I have on here. So I'm going to try something just fairly shallow maybe on the edges. See if I can do that. No, I hit a nail. But I can't go back now. I've measured where I think the piano hinge is appropriate spot. Now I've got these tiny little screws that I have to use this tiny little screwdriver to put them in. But I'm going to try to pre-drill, and I'm only going to do a couple on each side, the top and the base, to see if I've got this lined up properly. I think that's going to do it. Let's finish the screws. I need a smaller drill bit for sure. This is a satin finish, which hopefully will match the piano's sheen that's on there right now. Can't tell if it's a satin or a matte, but I'll tell you the secret is I actually mixed a little matte in with this satin because I didn't have enough satin. So we'll see what it looks like. Hey son, let's try this out.
Okay.